Numerology is the study of numbers as energetic archetypes. And I know that might sound abstract, so let me break it down simply because that's what we do here. In numerology, numbers aren't just mathematical symbols. They represent patterns, themes, and cycles that influence collective and personal energy. One of the ways numerology is used is through something called universal cycles. Each year carries a collective energetic theme called a universal year. To calculate it, you add the digits of the year together. So for 2026, you would add the 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6. That equals 10. Then you would add the 1 and the 0. That equals 1. We are in a universal year 1. Year 1 energy is all about new beginnings, independence, initiation. It's a year of planting seeds, starting fresh, stepping into something you've never done before. If 2025 felt like an ending or a clearing out, that was preparation for this. Now, each month builds on that yearly energy. To find the universal month, you add the universal year number to the calendar month number. March is the third month. 1 plus 3 equals 4, so March is a universal month 4. The number 4 in numerology is the energy of foundation, structure, discipline, and consistency. Think of it like 4 walls of a house. Without them, nothing else can stand. Year 1 is about starting something new. Month 4 is asking, can you build it properly? This is not flashy energy. It's not chaotic. It's not impulsive. It's quieter than that. And honestly, it's more powerful because of it. Month 4 is steady. It's practical. It rewards showing up even when it's not exciting. March is where your habits, boundaries, and practical planning matter. Create systems that support the life you're trying to build, where small, consistent actions are going to carry you further than big bursts of motivation ever could.